Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami frog. So what you want to do first is fold the rectangle in half vertically and then unfold. And then bring the top right corner down to the left diagonally and unfold. And do the same on the other side. Now flip it over, and then by using this corner fold, take it and fold it to where the diagonal creases meet. Turn it back over again. Now push the side, and then now take the sides and then take them down here. And then fold it down. Fold the two corners of the triangle up to the top point of the triangle. Fold the left side of the paper towards the center and repeat with the right side. Fold the two flaps of the top of the triangle in half so that they point out. Now fold the bottom of the paper up to the top corner of the triangle and then fold the paper down to the bottom edge. There you have your own origami frog. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.